Ever tried to sneeze with your eyes open? Spoiler alert, it's nearly impossible. That's because sneezing triggers an automatic reflex. And one part of that reflex is closing your eyes. Your body's just trying to protect you. The force of a sneeze can shoot out air at 100 miles per hour. That pressure could dry out or irritate your eyes. Some people can train themselves to keep their eyes open, but it's not recommended. It can be dangerous if done wrong. So no, your eyes won't pop out, but your body closes them just in case. Follow FactFlix for more weird science in under a minute.